What's up, y'all? Clean Cuts the One back with another video, and I just wanted to kind of give you guys an update on some new tools and some new techniques that I've done. You guys know when I started, if you followed my process, like I started off, I did reviews, I tried every single clipper, right? And when I tried these clippers, I would find ones that I like, ones that I didn't like. I was real heavy on the FX 673s. And so I tried all these different tools, and some I liked, and I would trade out and I would transition. As I'm continuing in my education and I've learned new techniques as far as how to cut hair, I've noticed that when I switch and use different tools, that I'm much more proficient with the tools that I once really wasn't good at. For instance, wall magic clip. You know what this is. This is the new branded one with they got the brown handles and all that stuff. It's pretty dope, right? Same magic clip, no difference. I'm on these heavy, right? And I've been on Oster fast feeds, and I love the fast feed with the ceramic blade, and it opens all the way up almost to a 1, and I've loved the Andis magnet guard system, the double magnet guard system. I've been on that forever. Something happened when I decided to go back to the wall system reluctantly. When I picked this up after watching the guys in my shop, there was an intuitive comprehension that took place when I picked them up, and my blends were coming out better. Like, I was really satisfied. I was excited to be back on cordless because the fast feeds I was really heavy on the fast feeds. And I did notice with the FX 673s, which are cordless from Babyless, something about the blade, it doesn't eject the hair quite quick enough. It's not a bad clipper. I'm just looking for the best for what I need now. And when I went back to this, I found that, man, this thing is cutting like I want it to. It's got the open, middle, closed instead of, you know, having to tap every time. And this system is like working for me now out of nowhere. So what I do, I bought 2 more. I was actually so far past using these that I'd actually sold my magic clips because I didn't think I'd ever come back to them. Here I am. It's all I use. Dolo. So definitely that's why continuing education is important, because you learn new techniques and you learn new skills and you try new stuff, and then you find that you are beginning to keep a little bit of diversity in your back pocket for your cuts. Now I'm going to talk about some more tools that I've been getting. These are like my favorite tools right now. This might be surprising for some of you. Yes. I got this from Sally's Beauty Supply. This is an ion round brush. I don't remember the inches. You can see that there are holes in it, so it's well ventilated. I'll show you another one. This is my Uppercut round brush. Just got through using it. I've had this one since school. Hadn't used it as much in school, but this is coming out. This is my Denman 9-row brush. It's a pretty good brush. It's a little heavy on this side, but I noticed MC Barber and a lot of other barbers using 9-row brushes. They talk about it a lot. Cool thing about this one is that this thing pops out like this. You can open it up and you can pop out your teeth so that you can clean it. These teeth actually come in rows that pop out, so it's very easy to clean. That's really cool about this one. And then there's this one. This is a Denman 7-row brush. And this thing come on recommendation from Chris Bossio, care of Josh OP. And guys, these are my new favorite tools right now. Seriously, accompanied with the blow dryer. I've been, you know, the guys in my shop, when they come out of the school that they come out of, they had education on how to use the blow dryer really well. I was using the blow dryer in my old shop, but using the blow dryer in my old barber shop was literally a joke. Every time I would use my blow dryer, they would make fun of how loud it was, and basically just, it was a joke. So it made it difficult for me to learn. So I thank God that I created an environment that it's okay to learn in, because my guys now use their blow dryers, and the blow dryer is one of the most used tools in our barber shop. I'm grateful for the guys who have come in and who have, you know, shown me what they've learned, and I've been able to watch more videos. Man, those videos, just watch everybody on everything, not just barber videos either. Watch the hairstyling videos, because the blow dryer changed everything. It really did. And then you've got products and so much stuff. So I just wanted to share with you guys the new tools that I've been using, because They're not clippers, they're not razors, it's not which barber put out the best razor and all that. These are practical tools, and you don't have to have these brands. These aren't the ones that you have to have. You can have whatever kind you want to have. I'm in love with these. I can create a ton of volume with this. I can kind of use this one to push the hair where I want it to be as I'm drying it. And blow drying and brushing in itself is its own skill that has to be practiced. I'm still practicing and I'm still learning. But how to create volume and texture and put the hairs where you want them, and it's just beautiful when you finally see that you're starting to catch on just a little bit. I'm almost starting to begin to get there. But don't be embarrassed to have a lot of combs. Don't feel some type of way like this is for stylists or this is for cosmetologists, because it's not. These are for barbers. These are for us. This is how we get the diversity. This is how we make the money. So just wanted to share my new pickups with you guys, or some of them are new pickups. Some of them I've had for a while. Some of them are new re-pickups. But I just wanted to share these with you so that way you guys can learn about diversity. You guys can be encouraged to try new stuff, do stuff that you haven't done, or go back to stuff that didn't work for you before and use it now and see how it works. I'm having a lot of fun with it. It's definitely upped my game. It's upped my production and the quality of my haircuts. So just want you guys to be able to do the same. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what we're doing on the channel. We're looking forward to Orlando's coming up in 2 weeks. If anybody's going to be there, going to be at the 245 booth. You guys come through, get some shave gel. We're going to have clean cut grooming beard oil on site. If you guys haven't got the beard oil, you know that I don't sell this online. I make it right here. You can see. Let me let you guys see. I make it right here. I do everything here. There's a lot of work. It's made by me. Got some ready to go. But I used to sell it online. I don't now because it became difficult. I couldn't produce it as fast as I wanted to so people could get a hold of it. So if you've been wanting to get some of this, come on out to the Orlando show. We're going to have plenty of it on hand. And I'd love to get some in your hands, man. So hopefully you guys will check this out. Come check out the booth in Orlando. Going to be an amazing class from the 245 squad. You already know they always come with it. So I look forward to seeing you there. Like I said, like, subscribe, follow, all that stuff. Until next time, peace.